2020 Volvo XC90. How to do the change the brake pads. This. You see that brake fluid reservoir. Remove the cap. Don't drop it. We're gonna have to remove the tires. 19 millimeter. 19 millimeter. Alright, this thing right here. First, we're gonna remove the clip. Okay. This is manually without the scanner. Okay. You remove the clip. Remove the boots. One here. Alright. 7 Allen to remove the bolts. You know, here and here. We'll remove the caliper. This yellow safety, push it up. And it's gonna disconnect the EPB. This thing right here is just a cover. It goes all the way around. Remove it. We're gonna use this T30 for these 2 bolts, one here and the other one's right there. Then remove the EPB. Just wiggle it up. Come off. Now this pin right here, we're gonna spin it clockwise all the way, slowly, okay? I'm gonna use a E12. Put it there. Turn it clockwise. Alright, spin it until you can. Clockwise. Okay. Now put your piston pusher right there. Now you're gonna push the piston. Easy. All the way until you cannot push it back no more. Okay. You know, you remove your brake pads and all that. Put the new ones, you know, put the grease, brush it, and all, you know the deal. Same way you remove your brake pads, same way you put it on. Peel off this sticker, the white sticker. Love your brake pads, mount it. Just like that, the same in the back. Now just mount the EPB back. Mount it the way it was. If it's not exactly, try to spin it a little bit. Push it in and then, you know what I'm saying? So it aligns with the where you put the bolts. You know what I'm saying? And put everything back. That's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy it. Hala at me, Axtuo. You want to see the whole video? Look it up in my YouTube channel. Hala at your boy Axtuo. Yeah.